Let's talk about your biggest career risk.
I think the biggest career risk would be to say yes to a certain challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you're not really sure if you can achieve it, but
Mm-hmm.
at the same time, it's the discipline of having the measures. And then at the same time, believing that you can do it.
Mm-hmm.
You'll just wake up one day, oh my goodness.
Hi, I'm Sam Pascual and this is TCP. Together, we will sit down with chartered professionals to bring you candid conversations and uncover the success stories of their chosen career. For today's video, we have a guest who's been making serious moves in the world of sales and business development. He's a sales director, of course, of one of the most trusted names in the HMO industry. With a master's degree of management in Durham University in UK. At saka yung trademark niya is can-do attitude. Let's welcome to the podcast, Juan Paulo Araneta!
Thank you. Thank you,
Siyempre,
Sam.
ano
Thank
to
you.
eh,
Thank you.
parang ano, Araneta Coliseum, so dapat nakasigaw tayo.
Yes.
So, random questions, Pau ha? Receiving gifts or giving gifts?
Giving gifts.
Low-key, rich, or loud and proud?
Properly dressed.
All cash or black card?
Wow. Blank card.
Beach house or penthouse?
I used to want to live in a penthouse, but now I want to live in front of the beach.
Okay. So luxury watch or limited sneakers?
Luxury watch.
All in or play safe?
All in.
Love or career?
Both.
Sure. Okay, so that's it for our icebreaker for today's video. So let's get down to the business,
Sure,
Paulo.
sure.
So I assume ready ka na.
Yes.
So first question is, as a sales director, what do you actually do?
Okay. As a sales director, as I always tell my team and my
Mhm.
bosses, is my main goal is to create leaders.
Okay.
You can't handle it by yourself. You
Mhm.
need to multiply yourself.
So you have built an impressive track record in sales and business development. Okay. So what's the secret sauce behind your success?
Wow. That's a very good question.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the secret sauce would be related to what I always say can do.
Mm-hmm.
You make things happen.
Okay.
The bosses, the CEO, whoever it is that hires you, expects things to get done. And
Oh,
it's your job to make things happen.
okay. So I'd like to know, Pau, as Paulo Araneta, of course, being the sales director. So ano ba yung natimpla mong sauce
Ah, through the years.
through the years?
If there's one thing I learned, you have to work through your people.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do it on your own.
Okay.
So you have to
So,
multiply yourselves and you have to work through your people, cascade direction, and follow through. Follow through yung
mm-hmm.
nawawala sometimes.
Okay. So it's like sa sauce, ikaw yung pinaka-salt, no? Correct. Kasi nga,
Some
di ba?
sometimes the salt, sometimes the sugar. But at the end of the day, you're expected to be the chef.
Pau, looking back, when did you start in the pre-need insurance industry?
So I'm on my eighth year,
Mm-hmm.
going nine. So this is my longest tenure in an industry. So by the way, this is my seventh industry and my longest.
Mm-hmm. Kasi I've met you when, way back, nasa
Yes.
HMO ka na. But
Yes.
prior to HMO industry,
Yes.
what would
Yes.
you like to share
So
companies you worked for before?
my previous industry was the BPO.
Mm-hmm.
But prior to that, I did real estate, I did manufacturing, I did export, I did property management,
Mm-hmm.
a whole lot. No? And across all those industries, I've always found myself in the sales and business development
Correct. So,
field. Maybe because I'm taking from my father.
mm-hmm.
I, in a way, like talking to people. I like working with people, even if I think I'm shy. You might
Correct.
not believe, no?
So
But
it's really a typical sales,
I guess so.
you know,
Some people are
person.
natural in it.
Correct. Okay, so was there a defining moment when you realize
Mm.
this was the right career path for you?
Ah, um, I think it's when I realized that people are actually dependent on your success.
Mm-hmm.
Your team will succeed as you succeed as well. So once I started realizing that and accepting it, and
Mhm.
embracing it, that
Mhm.
it's not really about my success. It's the
Mhm.
success of the people that are working with me.
Mhm.
That's when I felt that I'm in the right industry.
So, parang ano pala 'to, it was like your table is always open for recommendations, of course as a leader.
I fight for my
Oo.
people.
Mhm.
You have to fight for your people because in an organization you have different teams, you have
Mhm.
different people that want to get promoted,
Mhm.
but at the end of the day, you fight for your turf and you fight
Mhm.
for the people that are with you because you
Mhm.
know that they deserve it. They've worked hard for
Mhm.
that.
Okay. So, let's talk about your big break. In sales and new business, how did you earn it?
Wow, my big break. I think I've had quite a few opportunities, but I think the single biggest break that I got was my current role,
Mhm.
because I was given a platform to actually effect change
Mhm.
and have an influence on a lot more people
Mhm.
than my previous work. No? So I felt that that was such a big opportunity, and it is a
Mhm.
big break up until now.
Mhm.
As you mentioned, I think our division now is
Mhm.
gaining a lot of ground in the
Mhm.
industry where we're at, but there's a lot more work to be done.
Pao, speaking again, big break sa career mo, 'di ba? You've mentioned na your current role now.
Mm.
Is it because the company you are working for right now is one of course, the top player in the industry?
Yes.
Is it the company itself or the number of people you work with?
Uh,
Like yung ano ba, yung role mo ba, is it bigger than your previous?
it definitely is, but I think this time around, it's really a mix of factors. Eh.
Mhm.
And in anyone's career, you have to be very sensitive to see a
Okay.
certain opportunity
Mhm.
and maximize that opportunity and don't let it pass. So that's one of the lessons I learned from my first job.
Okay.
Do not let opportunities pass. You have to be fast in
Mm.
seeing it and taking advantage of it. Yeah.
Okay. Noted on that, Pao.
Yeah.
So sa dami ng wins mo, ano yung pinaka-memorable deal na talagang, well, sweat and blood?
Too many, too many. But I think recently we were able to close a
Mhm.
significantly large
Mhm.
account, and we're very proud of that. But
Mhm.
the challenge is you have to keep on outdoing yourself.
Correct.
So we're now finding another account. That's
Paano, Pao?
huge.
Like how do you outdo yourself as a sales professional, as a sales director? Paano yung outdo mo? Kasi of course, Pao, marami nakikinig sa atin.
I
People
think,
are watching,
yeah, yeah.
so they want to learn something from you. Maybe they can also outdo themselves to, to really go bigger in
Uh,
their in their
in their career.
industry, in
So I
their
think I
career.
think Sam, two things here. No, one would be to measure
Mhm.
everything. You can't
Okay.
manage what you don't measure. But what's more important is to have that dream. Dream
Mhm.
big.
Mhm.
Dream it into action. It's the deadly mix of both.
Very
You're gonna
ano
achieve a
'no,
lot of things.
very sales yung
Diba? Measure and then dream big. You're gonna get. You're
Okay,
gonna get.
alright. So let's talk about your biggest career risk. So, can you share it with us?
I think the biggest career risk would be to say yes to a certain challenge.
Mhm.
Sometimes you're not really sure if
Good.
you can achieve it, but
Mhm.
at the same time, it's the discipline of having the measures. And then at the same time, believing that you can do it.
Mhm.
You'll just wake up one day, oh my goodness,
Mm.
I'm halfway. Oh my goodness, I'm 75%. You're getting there.
Pero can you cite an example, Pao?
Ah,
Yung career risk mo
yeah.
na parang you're not pretty sure if is this gonna work? Then was it worth it,
Yeah. Okay.
'di ba?
So I guess related to the big account that we were able to close,
Mhm.
a few months prior to that, we were not really sure if we're
Mhm.
gonna get it. But we had that discipline of making sure that the numbers are there. Sales
Mhm.
is a numbers game.
Mhm.
And then we
Agree.
just found ourselves 8, 9 months down the road. We got it.
Mhm.
In fact, we are actually above target.
Mhm.
And as much as I don't want to say it's a surprise, we knew that we were putting in the work.
Mhm.
Therefore, we got the results
Okay. So, as a Paulo Araneta, so ito, have you ever failed at something big?
multiple times.
Then how did you turn it around?
Multiple times. So across all the various industries that I've worked in, I've
Mhm.
had numerous failures there. But
Mhm.
I think what's most important is to learn that there are lessons out of the
Mhm.
failures. I mean, it's such a cliche, but if you learn to embrace that, it's good to fail. Fail fast,
Mhm.
learn fast, and then do better.
Mag-sample ka naman po. Sobrang safe nung mga
Sample
sagot mo, eh.
siguro
Like sample, like parang ano, parang epic fail, but
epic fail.
somehow 'di ba, it's worth it kasi
Yeah,
you learn something out from it.
yeah.
Can you give me an example?
Maybe in one of my previous jobs, we had an assignment of like selling a certain amount of items. I don't want to
Mhm,
name it anymore.
mhm,
But you order a certain amount and then all of a sudden you find yourselves not being able to sell it right away.
mhm.
So the pressure is there to turn
Yes,
it around.
pressure,
You have to
oo.
find another way. It seemed like a failure, but at the end of the
Mm,
day, it taught us how to better forecast when
mm.
it comes to
Correct,
procuring
correct,
raw materials, for
correct.
example.
So, parang ang lucky pala ngayon ng company mo kasi ang dami mong lessons 'no, from your previous
Hindi
jobs. So,
naman
most likely you can actually 'di ba, you can recommend na i-forecast muna natin 'to, 'di ba? Well, I like the word measure talaga.
Mm.
You really have to calculate, 'di ba, the risk and all. Well, so question is, how do you stay sharp in an industry that's always shifting?
Yeah, shifting and evolving. No, I think two things there would be, of course, training,
Mhm,
external trainings, best
mhm,
practices, and at the same time having that mindset that you're always hungry to learn.
mhm,
So there's AI now. There's the internet. It's so
mhm.
easy to research, not like back in our day when you
Correct,
had to go to
oo.
the library, right?
Totoo,
So now it's
oo,
just on your fingertips. No, so it's
true.
just a matter of setting time apart to actually be curious enough to learn
Mhm,
new things. What's the trend? Where's the industry going? What's new? How do you disrupt the status quo?
mhm.